What's good, everybody? On this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of ants with two products. Now it may be just one, but I recommend doing a double. This is the TERRO Ant Killing Powder, and this is the Gadino Pulsating Ant Insect Rat Mice Cockroach Annoyer, I call it. Anyways, you plug these into regular receptacles around your kitchen or wherever you have problems, like in the basement, for example. And then you take this powder, and it looks like flour almost. See that? And then you put this in the trouble areas as well, and then they're gonna take this, eat it, bring it back to the nest, and kill it. And we waited 3 weeks to see if the results worked, and then here is what happened. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how the Gadino Pest Repellent Ultrasonic works. So here they are, there's 6 of them, and essentially you just plug these in right here. So we just plug these in like that, and that's it. And what this does is it shoots out like an ultrasonic signal that you can't hear. The question is, does it really do it? Well, the answer is yes. And if you check the Amazon ratings for this particular unit, people also agree with that. It's not cheap, I'm gonna tell you that. And here is what it repels: cockroaches, mice, spiders, ants, and mosquitoes. And there's no poison, no chemical, no insecticides, no traps, and it's an ultrasonic pest repellent. I would say if you have a lot of ants, plug 2 in one room, otherwise keep 1 in a room. You should have receptacles pretty much everywhere. So put 1 there. We'll put 1 there because I know that there's ants coming out of there. So again, they don't look too bad when you plug them in. They kind of blend in with the rest of the kitchen. It looks like a smart device, but let's go and see how this works. All right, so this is the TERRO Ant Killing Powder. Now, TERRO is very well known in the insect and rodent industry. This is a specific powder, highly ranked on Amazon. Now, we have tried borax, and here's kind of how it looks. You can see that it actually dries very hard because it's sugar, and then it's kind of tricky to get it out depending on where you put it, unless you clean it off right away. Some people put it on tin foil or something like that, but I mean, if you have giant colonies, maybe that would work. But if you have, like in my case, the ants are kind of trickling from here, sometimes they come in from there, sometimes they're coming in here, and trust me, we maintain this place pretty clean, even though right now it's not, because, well, we are renovating right there. We're doing a dishwasher thing. We're gonna give this about 3 weeks, and I have my ways of getting the ants out. Trust me. I just have to put a piece of chicken skin or like a little chicken here overnight, and they're gonna just come in swarms. All right, so it's been about 3 weeks, I would say, since we've used this. Now, we sprinkled it all in here just so you guys know, when you do it, it will get a little bit of hard. Okay, I did not put any sugar with this. Some people said that you should put sugar, but I did not. So we put it right where the ants would show up. Here, put this TERRO powder, and we plug these in. And I would say between all these things, it worked. You can see that the cat's bowl is here. They would always come in here and steal the kibble. But anyways, so I'm here to tell you guys that this works, but if it works without that, I don't know. But if you're getting this, then I would say get this as well. This sends out pulses, and it's the Gadino. So I 100% recommend getting these two together. So very happy. Thanks for watching.